This assessment asks us to draw the Lewis structure of the methoxide ion and the proton H+, and then tell where in methoxide we would expect the H+ to add on the basis of that Lewis structure. Well, let's draw this. We can just jump ahead to the Lewis structure. We'll put the 3 hydrogens on carbon. Oxygen has a negative charge, so that's going to imply 3 lone pairs and a -1 formal charge. The Lewis structure of H+ is really easy. It's just H+. How would we expect these 2 molecules to come together? Where would H+ add? It would add to the negatively charged oxygen. We know that negatives attack positives, and we can show that by having a pair of electrons being donated to H+.